All right, everyone. So I got here a 2009 Dodge Caliper. Now this should apply from anything from an '07 to 2012. Basically, it's a no crank, no start. We assumed it was the starter. Wasn't that? Took it out, tested it, bench tested it. It was good. I checked for fuel. I just pulled off the fuel line in the back. You can pull off from right there as well, and just kind of turn the key to the accessory. If you don't want to do that, you can also just listen to the fuel pump itself. Just have somebody in there while you got your ear to the filler there, and just see if you can hear the pump engaging. If it's not, and again, this is no crank, no start. If you got nothing, the issue is most likely in this relay box over here. Okay, now they don't mention this in the wiring diagram for whatever reason. Let me just get a light in there. Now, it's just a quick video. I'm not going to edit it or anything. I don't really know how or do that stuff. So basically, you got a relay box in there behind the bumper, kind of in the wheel well area on the driver's side. So we assumed it was the TIPM because the signal wire to the starter goes to TIPM. It's not that. So what we got here is a relay box with 4 relays. As you can see, I only have 3. The one on the right there, you can see, is missing because that was our issue. I'm assuming that is the starter relay. It doesn't mention it anywhere on the wiring diagram. So that was the relay out of that spot there. And as you can see, one of the pins is corroded right off. Okay, now that pin is for the signal side of the relay, or the low side. So there was 2 wires running to that relay. I'm assuming, obviously one is for the starter, and the other one I'm assuming is for the fuel pump relay. So all I did was, because I didn't have time to go to the part store or wrecker and pull one out, is I took the pins out of the box and routed them to my own relay. It's not nothing special. It's just a typical 4-pin relay. This is a 40 amp, a little overkill, but it still works. All right, so just ran a separate relay. Issue solved. Starts up fine. Runs great. I mean, as great as it can be for a Dodge Caliper. What can you say about these things? But yeah, that's a very common issue on these, is just that one relay corroding off, because the genius engineers at Dodge thought it was a good idea to put the relay box and a bunch of main connectors in the wheel well. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helps you. All right, good luck.